Hey GeekChef, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool amidsman right here, and basically what this is an air fryer oven. So you see the one that we got right here is from the brand called GeekChef. If you see right here, they tell you guys some of the specs and features that's on here. So it has a built-in air fryer, it has healthy cooking option, it cooks faster and cooks evenly as well, and definitely the inside is actually very spacious. So if you guys want to put like a whole entire chicken inside, you definitely can. And if you guys turn on this side right here, they show you guys what is actually included inside. So they provide you guys like an oven rack, an air fryer basket, a drip tray, and also a crumb tray as well. So they basically provide you guys everything that's needed for like baking stuff, for using it for air frying stuff, and etc. But this is basically what the packaging looks like. Let me actually open up to show you guys what the product looks like inside first. So it's gonna be hard for me to actually show you guys from this angle right here. So I'm actually bring the camera over here to show you guys what it actually looks like inside. Alright, so you see when I actually open up the pack right here, this is what it actually looks like inside. So it's definitely well protected and everything, and definitely see the air fryer here that comes with the cable right there. But I'm gonna take everything out and show you guys what the product looks like, and we'll probably just put it on top of this box right here. Alright, so when you guys take everything out, this actually looks right here. So they basically provide you guys the air fryer right here, and they provide you guys all the trays right here. Alright, so once we take everything out, this actually looks right here. So we basically have all three of the trays right here. So here is the first one. Here we have the next one. And then right here we have the last one, which is the air fryer basket. But see right here, they do provide a user manual to teach you guys how to set a product and also how to use as well. So those are all the different trays right here. Let me show you guys what the air fryer looks like. Alright, so once we take out the air fryer, this is what it actually looks right here. So see right here, they show you guys a power indicator light right here. Right here we do have a timer option. And right here we do have a temperature control option. So the minimum is 200 and the maximum is 450. And then right here we do have a function option. So there's a warm option, a broil option, a fan with broil option, a toast option, a bake option, a fan with bake option, and also an air frying option right here. So you definitely want to adjust that to what you guys want to use. And then right here we have a darkness control in terms of toast option. So whether you guys want like more dark or less dark, you can definitely adjust that on here. If you then see this off option, a light option, a medium option, and dark option right here. And right here we do have a light option. So let's press on this button right here. That will turn on or turn off the light. So it definitely has a very nice handle right here that feels really nice. And right here we do have the brand logo as well. If you see on the side right here, we do have the tape that you need to remove if it's your first time using it. And you see in the bottom part there is the drip tray. So let's take off all the tape first to show you guys what the inside looks like. Alright, so once we remove the tape, now we can actually open up. So let's pull it down. This is basically what the inside looks like. If you see right here, we do have the drip tray that they mentioned. So let's pull it out. You guys can definitely take it out and wash it or rinse it. And then once you have it done, slide it back inside. So that way it actually protects the inside. So that way if there's any crumbs that falls down, it falls right there. And makes it a lot easier for you guys to maintain it and clean it. And then see the inside right there. This is basically what the inside looks like. Then definitely see the way how they design it. It looks and feels like a high quality product. It definitely has all the different options on here that I mentioned. So there's the broil option, the toasting option, the baking option, and the air frying option as well. So basically when you guys are ready to use it, you want to just put the trays inside depending on what you guys want to use. But I actually put all the trays inside to show you guys what it actually looks like first. So let's slide this one in. That is the first one. There we have the second one. And then here we have the last one, which is the air frying basket. So let's put it inside like that. You can definitely air fry everything inside. And then when you guys are ready to use it, just close it back up. Change the setting to what you guys want to use. So if you guys want to air fry, go to air fry. If you guys want to use a certain temperature, change it to 400 degrees or whatever. And then you guys set the timer on here. And it's all set to start using it. And definitely one thing to remember is that when you guys first get the product, especially the first time using it, you guys want to take everything out and wash everything with hot water and probably with some soap. And make sure to rinse it completely to make sure it's all clean. So that way you guys know it's clean before you guys use it. You probably want to get like a warm towel and wipe down the actual product right here as well. So that way you guys know it's clean before you guys use it. And if you guys want to be even more extra, you could probably use like the towel to actually wipe down all the switches on here as well. And all around the air fryer if you guys want to make sure it's fully clean before you guys use it. But you can see the way how they design this air fryer definitely looks pretty nice. But let me just turn it to the side and the back to show you guys what it actually looks like all around. So we turn it on this side right here. This actually looks like this side right here. If you see the way how they design the side part right here, it definitely has the ventilation on here. And I believe for the bottom part here, the way how they design it, it actually lets you guys put your hand right here if you guys need to carry around. So I believe they also have that on the other side as well. But we'll find out in a second. Let me actually turn to the back part to show you guys what the back part looks like. Alright. So when I actually turn it to the back part right here, you guys can see what the back part looks like. So they definitely do have the ventilation in the back part right here. And the way how they design it actually forces like the hot air to actually go up and not against the wall, which is definitely pretty nice. Especially if you guys are planning to put this against the wall. I believe on the side right here and right here as well, they do have the ventilation as well. So that way the product won't overheat if you guys use it a lot. And then obviously right here we do have the cable. So here is the cable you guys actually plug in to actually use it. And we turn it on this side right here. You guys can see the same as the other side. So it definitely has the ventilation on the side and definitely has the low grip in the bottom if you guys need to actually carry around. And then this is basically what the top part looks like. Definitely feels like a high quality stainless steel material that they use on here. But I'm going to show you guys what the bottom part looks like as well. Alright, so here is basically what the bottom part looks like. If you can see the way how they designed the bottom part here, it definitely has like the non-slip material. So that way the product won't get like moving around once you guys put it onto a table or a flat surface. But that is basically everything that's on the part right here. Let me just go put this onto the table and actually test it out to show you guys how it works and when it actually works. And then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. So basically the way how you guys turn on the light inside right here is by pushing this option right here. So if I push it right here, you can see how the light turns on, but once I let go, it turns off. So if you guys want to keep the light on when you guys are baking stuff or using the actual oven right here, you guys want to press the part down, otherwise and leave it closed. But definitely see right here, they do have a sealing option right here to keep like the temperature inside and keep it warm as well when you guys are using it. So this is basically what the product looks like when you guys plug it in. Let me actually show you guys how this works. Alright, so I just put some salmon inside right here. So I'll probably just bake it. So I'm actually test it out to see how it works. So we want to turn it to bake. And if you guys want to leave the light on, you definitely can. Otherwise, you can turn it off. If you can see when I actually have the product on, the light pops on right here. So that is how you guys know when the product is on. So I'll come back and check on it after 10 minutes. So if you guys want to cook this much faster, you guys want to turn on the fan option right here. And once you guys turn it on, if you guys can hear the fan right here, that way it actually cooks the food much faster and evenly cooks it as well. Alright, so let's open up and see what it actually looks like. Alright, so here is basically what the final product looks like. If you can see, it definitely heats up really fast because we used the convection option, so we didn't have to cook it as long. But definitely see the product definitely looks pretty nice. Alright, welcome back guys. So nice so quick test, the product definitely see it actually does work and actually works quite well. If you see the way how they design the product definitely looks and feels like a high quality product with the material that they use, the way how they design it, makes it a lot easier for people to use. Especially the way how they give you guys the option to use the toasting option if you guys want a light, brown or dark. Not a lot of air fryer give you guys that option. They have all the different settings on here that makes it a lot easier for you guys to change and read it. So if you guys want to change it to the baking option, the air frying option or whatever, you can definitely adjust it based on your own preference on here. And definitely when you guys use the product, it definitely heats up really fast. And definitely love the fact that how they provide guys the option to actually turn on or turn off the light. Because there are some air fryer oven options out there that doesn't give you guys that option. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now that you're unboxing and testing the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product here, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it, especially if you're trying to look for a high quality air fryer oven that can do everything on here, such as the baking option, the broil option, the air frying option, and etc. If you guys want all of that and so much more, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.